Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best car polish. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5, Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus. Meet Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Wax. Shine so bright, sunglasses required. Packed with pure Carnauba and protective polymers, think sunscreen for your car. Delivers a high gloss shine so deep you'll check your hair in it. Long-lasting wax barrier keeps paint protected from bird bombs and bug attacks. Works on all glossy paints, even those mysterious clear coats. Enhanced formula means sharper reflections. Your car becomes a rolling selfie station. Easy application, just glide it on with the included foam pad. Removal is a breeze, no need for Hulk arms or sweatbands. Hand or machine application, both work. Your choice, Picasso. Professional detailers trust it, but it's simple enough for Sunday drivers. 3-step process: apply, wait, wipe, voila. Instant showroom shine. Luxurious protection that laughs in the face of rain and grime. Ideal for car enthusiasts, detailers, and anyone who loves shiny things. Meguiar's Gold Class. Because your car deserves to feel fancy too. Upgrade your shine game. Make your neighbors think you hired a pro. Ready to turn heads at every stoplight? Grab your Gold Class kit today. Number 4, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Think all scratch removers leave behind haze or swirls. I'm a professional auto detailer with years of experience. Most compounds fix scratches, but dull your car's finish. That's where Meguiar's Ultimate Compound changes everything. Its micro-abrasive technology targets defects, not your paint. It removes scratches, swirls, oxidation fast and safely. No hazing, no fine scratches, just a flawless, clear finish. It's safe for all clear coats and gloss paint. You can use it by hand or with a DA polisher. Let me show you. Here's a scratched, faded hood. A few passes with Ultimate Compound, scratches vanish. The color pops, the clarity returns like showroom new. No swirls, no haze, just pure reflective shine. Restore your car's finish easily like a pro. Try Meguiar's Ultimate Compound and see the difference. Number 3. Microfiber Wax Applicator Pads. Struggling with streaks and uneven wax on your car? Tired of applicator pads that fall apart after one use? Worried about scratching your car's paint while polishing? Frustrated with pads that don't absorb enough product? Meet the Phonaroll Microfiber Wax Applicator Pads. Premium microfiber and sponge blend ensures high absorbency. Elastic sponge core makes waxing smooth and effortless. Tightly sewn edges prevent fraying and reduce scratching risk. Flexible design fits comfortably in your hand for easy use. Perfect for waxing, polishing, cleaning seats and windshields. Also great for removing dust and pet hair from appliances. Machine washable and reusable. Save money and reduce waste. Each pack includes 6 durable 5-inch applicator pads. Upgrade your car care routine with professional results. Enjoy a spotless, protected car with less effort. Get your Phonaroll pads today and shine on. Number 2, Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. Tired of seeing scratches and swirls on your car? Imagine restoring your paint's shine right in your driveway. Introducing Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover Kit. Just apply the compound with the included buffer pad. Watch light scratches, swirls, and marks disappear instantly. Professional grade results, no detailing experience required. Our advanced formula erases years of wear and tear. Restore gloss and brilliance to any paint color or finish. Removes water spots, oxidation, and stubborn contaminants. Safe for all clear coat, single or multi-stage paints. No unnecessary dyes or scents, just pure premium chemicals. Works fast for a like-new showroom quality finish. Perfect for car owners, DIYers, and auto enthusiasts alike. Transform your car's look with effortless scratch removal. Don't wait. Upgrade your detailing routine today. Get Carfidant Scratch Repair Kit and shine with confidence. Number 1, CERAKOTE Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint. Meet CERAKOTE Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. Shine so bright, sunglasses required. Delivers maximum gloss and mirror-like shine. Think car selfie, but clearer. Spray on application so easy, even your neighbor's cat could do it. Just wash, spray, and buff. Faster than your morning coffee routine. Extremely hydrophobic, water beads up and slides off like it's late for work. Dirt and road grime, they'll slip off like bad pickup lines. 50 wash durability rating. This isn't a one-hit wonder, it's a chart topper. Lasts for months, not minutes, unlike your last diet attempt. Trusted by aerospace, automotive, and tech giants. No pressure, just facts. Professional grade protection right in your driveway. No PhD required. Unmatched slickness. Your car will feel smoother than your best dance move. Includes a high-quality microfiber cloth because your car deserves a spa day. Perfect for car enthusiasts, busy pros, and DIY detailers alike. Showroom shine, rain or shine, your car's new weatherproof armor. Ready to outshine the neighborhood? CERAKOTE's got your back. Go on, give your car the gloss it's been dreaming of. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.